Hi guys, welcome to another video. For this video, I'm doing Baseball 9. So yeah guys, I mostly play this game a lot. So I decided, how about make a video of this game. So yeah guys, so this is the team. And this plays one at the bottom. At the bottom guys, yeah. Or all my actual teammates. At the top is just random people. But two of them are the real ones in either oh. So yeah guys, I'm playing against Stormers in the rookie 1 championship. So yeah guys. So this will be a bit hard. So let's do this. So I won't do this. Guys, comment below my side. Guys, I gotta do it for you guys. A win, let's go. So yeah guys, 1-0. 1-0. Best of 7 bro. So that means I have to get 4 points. Whoever gets the 4 points, either my team or Stormers. Let's see who wins. Come on, please. Yes! Guys, two more wins. Come on, we can win this, guys. Come on, lads. Bro, I'm praying, bro. One more, bro. One more, lad. One more. Come on, lads. We get one more. Come on. And I'm praying, bro. Yes, we win. Now we won. Yes, bro. Guys. Yo. You know what? It really took me like 7 tries. No joke. 7 tries. To get to... I don't know this. Guys. Yes. League promote. Congrats to your promotion. You promote the pro league. Good luck. Upcoming games. You contact. You can use coach and the team management. What? Wait. Can I add a coach? What? I don't understand. Coach. Nah, fam. I don't know. Nah, bruh, guys. This really took my game to the next level, bro. Bro, my game's in the next level, bro. So yeah, guys, I'm trying to get to this one because my team's Eagles. Known as Lansdowne Eagles, my team. I'm looking, guys. Tell me if you guys can see an eagle besides this one. Like for a cheaper one, lion or whatever. Besides this one, yo. Oh, this one. How on earth did I not see that one? Guys, I'm really dumb. How did I not see this one? I prefer the other one. Mostly. Come on, how much longer must I get it? Guys, I'm trying to get this kit because as you guys saw on my short, my baseball short, I was wearing like a green color. So yeah, I'm looking for green. I wanna try to get me that one, like my actual kit, but I don't have it. So this is the similar one I can get so far. Bro, what the hell is this? What the hell is this? I wanna. Okay. Fair enough. Brana, this is clutch, oi. So yeah, guys, it's actually clutch. Don't know why I'm crying, oi. It's just like the first time. Bruh. How? I'm literally like. Guys, who can assign? For me, I can sign this guy. No! Oh. There's an issue with the door. I don't know what to say, bro. That is just clutch, boy. I didn't know. But come see how team look like. So regular season prize, yo, mercy. Bro, don't bully me, please. I did nothing. Okay, please. Oh, the prize. If I play, I'm not gonna do mercy. I'm gonna do this one. Damn. I'm just checking up. I don't know what is the biggest if we get to the end. Royal. Damn. See you guys. Bro, they're still the same. Bro, what the hell? Schedule. What the hell? Guys, what the hell is this way? Oh, stars. Bro, I'm cooked, bro. I'm cooked. Home run contest. What the hell, guys? Bro, nah, how many games? Sure. This is gonna take me like a year, guys. Nah. Guys. Bro, for me it's gonna be, oh. Come on, man. Come on. I'm laggy. Oh, my days. Guys, it's literally my first time playing in Pro 1. Pro 3, I mean. Because I never play Pro 3. I mostly like struck by rookie like time. You know what? I'm gonna take it to my hands. Okay, come on. That's my lineup. Okay, my dog is just barking. So I am. So need to move. Okay, I'm the red. So guys, watch the red. But I have to do it. I always do this most of the time. My turn to bet. Yes, come on. I'm cooked, bro. I just now cooked. I must not get ready guy at least. We get ready guy time cook, bro. No, my bad. No! Guys, I have a chance. I'm laggy. I'm laggy, guys. I should not freaking laggy. Come on. Well, guys, I have to move my passing here. Yeah, that's way better. Damn. Yo, guys, now the season is really crazy way. Home run contest. It's really crazy, guys. Come on. Okay, it's fine. What? Yes. Let's go, guys. I can win this. Here we go. I fix it. I mostly do that the most of the time if the run is done. I just want to waste the energy, guys. But I don't know why the Betty's so bad. Too slow, bruh. Too slow to be like Kaka. Get it? Guys, I'm betting second. Yeah, guys, I'm betting this. Come on. Has to be. Go long. No! I needed to go long way, guys. Guys, it's my turn to shine. Home run! Bro, my first game in Pro 3, bro. Nah. 2 points, bro. 2. Let's go. 2-0, bro. 2-0. Nah, guys. I'm bringing the smoke, bro. Oh. My bad. That's perfect. That's what I want. Go to second. On time, yes. On time, guys. It's on time. Perfect. That's home. He's home, bruh. Guys, he's home. Hold up. It's out. It's fine. At least we got 3-0. 3-0, I'll take home. Perfect, bro. He's gone home, bruh. He's going home. Are you dumb, bruh? This game is just dumb. Okay, guys, I swing too early. Guys, comment below as I post more Baseball 9 videos. Yes. Come on, guys. Oh my god, bro. Okay, alright. At least. Okay, so never mind. Come on, guys. One out. 2 outs, I mean. No. Oh. I was about to say. I say this now. It'll be close or it'll be out. That's out. My bad. My ear is a bit sore, and guys, you're really sore. Yo, my bad. 4 points then, that's crazy. At least I got 1 point. Okay. Guys, I can't lie. FT home run. Bro, I hate the skyway. Guys, I just need a Ricky or something like that. No! Again, I'm so dumb away. Now I got one of my catches out. And guys, I'm not lying. This is actually my true lineup. The true lineup. And betting whatever. Betting what I mean. They done me dirty, bro. They done me dirty. Yo, my head is so sore, bruh. I don't know why, but anyway. Yo. How can I get this right away? That's what I want, toy. Perfect throw, perfect hit. Equals a home run, guys. Benzema. Oh, no. Why did I do that, bro? Why? What did I do? No, what did I do? Guys, I don't know why. Why, guys? Why the guy is bullying me, bro? Every time I'm trying to hit a home run, okay, at least I hit 2. So yeah, just to be safe. Perfect. Go to second, bro. Don't be slow, bro, please. Oh, they're so slow. Yo, I'm so slow, bro. Even a bronze can go faster. No. Stay. Stay there, man. Stay. Tell you when to run. Now we have a chance. I'm so dumb, boy. That's one worse hit and a worse out. Guys, don't bully me. Tell you what, oh my days. What's the score, bro? I know it's 1-5-1. Ball. Why? Okay, guys, my bad. Well, here's a problem if every time I play this game. I play this game a lot. So this can't be a problem, bro. I don't know why I hit all the time. There we go. Watch. Okay. No, that's a late one. Thank you. On base. Now we got on base. Guys, we got a base. Guys, don't worry. Guys, we will get a chance now. I don't need a strikeout, bro. I don't need a strikeout. 3, 2, 1, go. Stay. Go for your life. I don't know why every time I play baseball now, everyone wants to go back. If someone catch you, go back. Dumb Abby. I don't know why I just don't do this. It's way quicker now because I love to bet. Okay. That's a hat-trick, bro. Hat-trick home run. 2 for 4, bro. And I just started, bro. But I'm just gonna, how can I say, cook the steams now, I think. Bro, I'm still hitting home runs here today. Only home runs. What the hell? Only home runs today. Bro, this is only my first time playing Pro 3 and I'm cooking, bro. No. Okay, that's the one worst one. That's why I need it. That's why I need better so I could. You see, most of my team is like 45 or something like that. Not 45, like less than 45. Yo. Chikarada. See what's wrong with you? I'm joking, guys. I'm joking. Harry Maguire. If I was a manager like that, I was saying, ooh. Then I saw they got the out in the last second. I love boy. I don't know what to say. I'm saying, yeah, don't do that. Don't do it. It's illegal. That's what happens. Nice. Tiki taka. Skibidi aka. Need my time, skibidi pama. Yes. Oi. Wait. Play one, play one, play one, play one. It's been my first match playing this. Nah, bruh, nah, they're playing good now. Nah, bruh, nah, what is this, boy? Yes! Thank you, the best of the best is back. Only pitching knuckleballs, yo. Ow! Neg. If it wasn't for the lag, I could have won. Yes. Fast balls. What the hell happened now? Like, this thing was here, then went here. Okay, I think my phone is just glitching. First match, bro. First match. In Pro 3. I will say Pro 3 is a bit hard. Let you play a bit good way. So yeah, guys, if you haven't already, subscribe to Mr. Flirts and subscribe to our collab channel. It's Squeaker Gang Gamers. So yeah, guys, subscribe to that channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.